How to access your favorite heroes in Raid Shadow Legends. Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech for Gamers. Marking heroes in Raid Shadow Legends as favorites means it makes it easy to find them in battle preparations, upgrading, or inventory. Here's how you can access your favorite heroes in Raid Shadow Legends. First of all, launch open Raid Shadow Legends game on your device and make sure you are inside the lobby screen. From the home screen, go to the Champions tab at the bottom right, and once you're inside this Champions screen, go ahead and select your heroes from the left-hand corner. Every hero that you've marked as your favorite will show a small heart icon right underneath their avatar. If you select them open, you'll see this heart icon underneath the skin option. If you want to mark a hero as a favorite, go open up a hero from the left hand side menu and click on the small star icon. Now select favorite and you'll be able to add them as your favorite in Raid Shadow Legends. So that's where you find your favorite heroes in Raid Shadow Legends super quick and easy. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.